Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to change profile picture on your Google Chrome. Start by opening your Chrome browser and make a new tab. Go to your profile and click on the camera icon on your profile. Click on Add Profile Picture, and you can explore and select any one of these, or you can import one from your computer. Click on Upload from your computer, or you can also take a picture. Select your picture and open it. Click on Next and click on Save as Profile Picture. And as you can see, the profile picture has been updated. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial video